This review is federally compliant.
Dog Rate 1 Reviews.
Hey, yo, we got another pack just touched down, y'all. From one of my favorite hemp companies, y'all. Y'all know who that is? Y'all know who that is?
Wildflower Hemp Co.
It's Wildflower Hemp Co. Ooh, shout out to Wildflower Hemp Co, y'all. Look what they done sent your boy. We got a lot of fire reviews coming, y'all. We got Unicorn Crash at 1 gram, Laugh Rosin Cart. Search. Can't wait to review that. Then what else we got up in here? Got Papaya Melons, 1 gram, Laugh Rosin. Sersky. We also got GMO Papaya, y'all. Wow. Coming in 30% total cannabinoids. Wow. And I love the stickers. Yes, Sersky. What else we got in here? Ooh, Temptation. Wow. 31% THC. Then we got carts. We got something else special. We also got something else special in there, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna see it till I do these reviews. But yeah, shout out to Wildflower Hemp Co. Good looking out. We gonna have some epic reviews. Yes, sir.